Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We're going to be doing my go-to summer makeup routine. So let's just get into it. Oh my god, it's so hot. It's literally 10,000 degrees. So for summer, this is usually how I wear my hair, which is called straight out the shower and air dried. And my cat is meowing, or he's whining. But he can't handle being out here while I'm filming. He can't handle it. So during the summer, I don't do anything really with my hair because if you are from Georgia or have ever been to Georgia, you would know that it's pretty much the entrance to hell. It's hot, but not just hot. It is humid. You're walking in a sauna at all times, so there's just no point in me trying to do my hair. For summer, I usually go for something quick and easy. I mean, not too quick, but I would say it only takes me 15 to 20 minutes to get ready because I just don't feel like being as thorough because I'm just gonna sweat it all off anyway. Like, he's driving me nuts. I can't even think with him whining like that. I put toys in there, okay? I put toys, Charles. Play with them. Charles! Come on, coffee breath. So I'm gonna go in with the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation, and I am in the shade Beige. And this foundation, no lie, is the most beautiful foundation I've ever put on my skin in my life. So I just draw it on. So I'm gonna go in with the Morphe Y6 brush and I'm just buff that in. So I'm gonna take the Hourglass foundation and I'm gonna get it on this crown, or no, on this Visanti concealer buffer, and I'm just gonna take it underneath my eye. I've been using this as concealer just because it's such a beautiful foundation and it's got great coverage, so it covers my dark circles well. So yeah. So a couple weeks ago, I saw Harry Styles in a concert. Best night ever. I can't even talk about it. No, but really, I saw a couple years ago, I saw One Direction, and little backstory, they were on, which I'm sure most of the world knows this, but One Direction was on the UK X Factor. So back in the day when they were on it, it was like, I think 2010. 2010 they were on it. And obviously that doesn't air in the States, so I would every week live stream the UK X Factor and watch my boys. They did not win the X Factor, but I think we can all agree that doesn't really matter. So I have for sure been with Mr. Harry's career since the get. I'm gonna take the Laura Mercier translucent powder and I'm just gonna get a little bit, literally just like this much in there, and I'm taking the Aesthetica P12 brush and I like to lightly set my face in the summer, but nothing too crazy like every other time that I'm like piling the powder on my face. But anyway, so yeah, I've been with this man since the beginning of time, since he was like 16. So I just have a connection with my baby, okay? But it was awesome, an awesome show. I really like the music that he has decided to make. I'm not too much of a fan of the other guy's music. Like Zayn's music is just like whatever to me. Liam's music is I'm for sure not listening to that. Sorry, Liam. Love you, BB. And then Niles is just like whatever. but even though like he's my favorite and I'm a little biased, Harry's music that he's making is definitely my favorite. But yeah, it was an awesome show. He played That's What Makes You Beautiful, and I was like, don't do this. We took a beach trip with our group of friends, which was a great little vacation getaway. I for sure needed it to rest and recuperate, but also to just spend some QT with my friends. And obviously my husband went and my sister-in-law went, and we just had us a good old time. We're already planning next year's trip, which we're gonna do a bigger trip. We just went to Florida this year, but I think we're gonna try to do like one of the Caribbean islands next year. I'm going in with the Colourpop pressed powder bronzer in Private Party, and I'm using the Luxie 516 Duo Fiber powder brush. But yeah, the beach trip was awesome. We went Wednesday through Sunday, and we definitely all agreed that we want to go on a longer trip next time. Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. And I'm just mixing these two. We went with, there were 8 of us total, yeah. Which, you know, it's not always the easiest to travel with because you feel like you gotta please everybody, but also it's easier because if this set of people don't want to do something, they want to do something else, they can go do that. While this group, we didn't really face that problem, but you can do that. I'm just gonna contour this double chin. I'm like sweating just sitting here. That's how freaking hot it is in this freaking state. I'm in a hot ass state of mind. Dun-dun. And I'm gonna go in with the Luxie medium angled shading brush to do my nose contour. Anyway, so yeah, how's everybody's summer going? It like makes me sad that it's already near the end of June because I'm like, summer, where are you going? It's like we had like a 18,000 month winter and I'm not ready to let go of summer. I mean, I'm being a little dramatic, it's only June, but I can see it. It's fading. It's fading. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with Milani Luminoso, and this is for sure my favorite blush for this time of year because it is a nice coral peach color with a golden shift to it. So it's almost like a highlight in one, but you know, still gonna highlight. And I use the Luxie tapered highlighter brush to do blush because there are no rolls, okay? You can use brushes for whatever you want. Honey. Oh my gosh. I haven't started Queer Eye Season 2. Okay. That just dropped. But I have to. Is Jonathan not the best? Okay. Who gave you permission? I'm gonna go in with Becca Rose Gold highlighter. Like this color makes me look a little bit sun-kissed. And obviously, that's what I'm trying to do. It gives you like a little bit of a, I mean, it's called rose gold, so a little bit of a rosy tint. And this color on deep skin tones, girl! Okay, I'm gonna do my brows now, and I just can't talk while doing that because, so, I will tell you that I'm using the MAC, what is this? Lingering Eyebrows Pencil. And this, I mean, this is the shade, what shade is this? Is the shade Lingering? I don't know, but it is a little too warm for my brows, but this too shall pass. Okay, and these are some of the worst eyebrows I've ever done. Eyebrows, welcome to your tape. Okay, but seriously, who's watched season 2 of 13 Reasons Why? I just started last night and holy cheese balls. How cheesy. Oh, it's so cringy. Literally, me and my friend Garrett were talking about it and we were like, did a middle schooler write this? I'm still gonna watch it though because I want to. But some of the scenes are just so cringy, cheesy. It like gives me cringe chills. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Alamar Cosmetics. I think that's how you pronounce that. Alamar. Nope. And this is the eyeshadow palette volume 1. It's so pretty. Look, ooh, how summery. So I'm gonna go in with Cocoa Taxi and just pop that in my crease. And in the summer, I really don't do that much on the eyes. Just kind of define them. As you can see, I have eyelash extensions, and also as you can see, I need a fill. They're looking a little looking a little wonky, but that's all right. Okay, speaking of 13 Reasons Why, you can fight me on this if you want, but I doubt that anybody would fight me on this. Clay did not deserve to be on those tapes. Yeah, I said it. Fight me. Clay did not deserve to be on those MFing tapes. He deserved better, okay? And I don't know how I feel about he and Sky together, like, name a less iconic duo. I'll wait. So now I'm gonna go in with Tropico. But I like doing warm looks because, I mean, everything is just so warm and bronzy and freaking lit. Sometimes I have no idea what I'm talking about. And that is pretty much all I do for the eyes because I can't be bothered, okay? And I'm just gonna brush out my lash extensions because they're looking crazy. I mean, it didn't help. They would probably look a little better if I hadn't gone to the beach for a week and wasn't like going ham in the waves and like literally just like letting the waves like crash on my face being like, ah! But I mean, I got them 3 weeks ago and I feel like they look pretty decent for 3 weeks. I mean, I think people usually go get a fill at 4 weeks, maybe. Okay, and now I'm gonna finish it off with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Okay guys, so that is my quick summer makeup routine. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video so that I know that you like this type of video, this more chitty chatty, random. Like I said, I just be talking and I don't even know what about. But if you enjoyed it, please hit like and I will see you in the next one, hopefully. Bye! By the by, if you notice these freaking cuts on my arms, that would be my good pal Charles Ray, my cat, who thinks that I'm his play toy. Yeah, I hear you.